Well, I might as well make this a whole video on Sony. My PlayStation monitor here, 24-inch, is trolling me. It's working just fine right now. It was exhibiting signs of what these monitors are notorious for. It's a little eeprom chip inside. Prevents it from coming to life. It looks pretty much alive to me right now. But what happens, this little light here, in standby mode it glows red. That's fine. Let's show. In standby mode it glows red. And if you have a faulty eeprom chip, what'll happen, you'll turn it on, the blue bar will glow, green light will come on, and after a few seconds that green light will go out and it'll start blinking, double blinking red, and you won't have a display. But as you can see, this one is trolling me. I go through all the trouble, set it all up, put it back on the computer, works fine until the computer goes to sleep, and then the monitor never wakes back up again. It exhibits signs of the silliness that they're known for. So, went online and I ordered a replacement eeprom chip. eeprom chip. This is tiny, tiny, tiny. You wouldn't believe how small this thing is. So I'm going to replace it anyways, because I'm not playing games with this darn thing. Now it's working just fine. I ended up having to use my old Acer all-in-one Android monitor thing because this was acting up. Right now it's got a feed from my Vivitar camera, and it's working just fine. So I'm still going to do the repair because I don't want to play games anymore. So I'll tear into it. And I'll show you what it looks like. Boop. Alright, here we are in the belly of the beast. Had to put a macro lens on here so I can zoom in close and show you just how focus. Closer, closer. Alright, there you go. This is the little offender here, U4. 8 little legs. An eeprom chip. This is a little bugger that gives you trouble. Now, in most of the repair videos I've seen, the one being replaced has a red dot on it. Likely from the manufacturer, so. And maybe also to point out the number 1 pin. That's important to maintain. Otherwise, you release the magic blue smoke. Tiny little resistors all around it. You need skills to replace that one. Holy smokes. Still got frogs. In almost a month. Tiny little resistors all around it. So I've got a soldering iron with a teeny tiny little point on it. Let's see if I can get in here and replace that sucker. Maybe you're going to enjoy the monitor for all that it does for a long time to come. Pull the macro lens off here, zoom it out. It's right there. We'll see. Some delicate surgery indeed. So, stay tuned. See if I can find it now. Alright. Well, it might be a little bit crooked. Maybe not the best soldering job in the world, given its size and location. Let's just say it was working when I started and it's working when I'm finished, so I would deem that a successful operation. Hopefully this will last, the life of the monitor now, this little repair. I did see a genuine Sony repair kit offered on eBay, which had this chip and a couple of other little components. But, I mean, first time around it was dodgy. Who's to say the second time around it isn't dodgy as well, so. Aftermarket. Somebody took the time to program this. They knew what they were doing. The monitor behaves as it should. And like I said, it was working when I started and it's working when I'm finished, so all I can do is button her back up and give her a try and see how long it lasts. Macro lens. I had to actually take the lens part off of there, off the clippy thing here, and inspect. It's yeah. This camera's got decent macro, but not that close. So, handy dandy little clippy thing here. Whatever works. Anyways, that's the Sony monitor fixed for now.